Lesson 9.3 Vending Machine Advanced. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will drive dispense and change outputs in the SEO-in3 state. Assert both outputs in SEO-in3 via change simulate pass. Output logic is often a second combo block on the current state. Default outputs low. On the coin 3 raises dispense and change. Drive rex in always star, then assign wires continuously. Same vending, FSM. This lesson finishes more style outputs. Your TODOs are the coin 3 dispense register and change register assigns. Set both regs to 1 in coin 3, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run, and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log reaches SEO-in3 with dispense and change high, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB scope and add the signals. Surfer dispense/change pause when state hits SEO-in3. Yosys shows output decode from the state register. Then open the FSM Diagram tab. Open the FSM Diagram. This is the state machine Yosys extracted. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review defaults low. SEO-in3 asserts both actions. The TB inserts 3 coins and checks the output pair. That is Vending Machine Advanced. See you in the next lesson.